Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the Forex market. So today we mostly will talk about the Great British Pound, but at the same time we will take a look briefly on the other two setups that we have. It's Euro currency and Australian dollar. So on the Euro currency, unfortunately it's just a few things that we could do because the market is going with the scenario with the direct breakout. So if you remember, if you have watched the video that we have prepared in the weekend, we said theoretically we have two major scenarios. It's direct up breakout, and second scenario, the head and shoulders. Unfortunately, although this scenario was preferable to us and it's in general more pleasant to deal with it, we haven't got it. The market just is moving higher. The direct breakout. That's why we're following to the trading plan that we have prepared for this scenario, and it suggests waiting for pullback to the broken confidence resistance, where we theoretically should get the chance to take the position. So currently market is coming to the 121 resistance, and once it will be hit, probably we should get some bounce, some pullback, approximately around the neckline, or former neckline as we thought this could be a neckline. We could get the chance to take the position, because currently market with the break in this area to the upside now is flirting in this range of trading. So here is the new area of the price action. It's approximately above the 120 area and to the previous top around 2350. So that's the new trading range that market euro stands. On Australian dollar, we're coming to the point that we have set for consideration of the possible taking the short position, because if you remember here we talked about the hand and shoulders, and currently on the follow time frame chart, market is ready to hit the level that we have predefined. So as you can see, this ABCD XLP is agreement around 78.25. So these targets almost have been reached. So actually we have the two different tasks here around this area. First of all, the direct head and shoulders actions will be preferable to us if market will be able to complete some kind of the ABCD action to the downside. Alternatively, if market will break through it, some bounce probably will happen here, because this is agreement resistance, so some minor respect here should happen. But once minor respect will be over, that's, by the way, will be the moment where we have to place stops to the break even if you intend to take the trade here on Australian dollar. And then we will keep an eye on whether hand shoulders will work or not. If hand shoulders will be erased, the market will break it up and start moving above this area somewhere to the 78.80, 79 area, and it will tell you the hand shoulders has failed, and we should be prepared for taking out with the stop and upward continuation. So these two moments we intend to keep an eye on Australian dollar. So now let's take a look at the cable. Here, as you remember, last week we have dealt with the bit tricky setup, and we said if market will be able to stay above these lows, it keeps bullish context valid. Only if market will start dropping and breaking this support, in this case we could say that it's going to the OP of this ABCD pattern of the 35 area, 135. Unfortunately, guys, we haven't seen the cable around 135, although this was really very cool support area. This was agreement and confidence support. This was really very sweet area to take the long position, but you can see the reversal started right from here, and this upward action ABCD pattern has been erased because market rate stands above the C point, and this ABCD pattern is not valid anymore. Currently market stands at the resistance in 140.20 area, accompanied with the daily overbought. This creates the Jordan stretch pattern, and it suggests at least the pullback. As cable keeps bullish context, we could consider two possible type of action here. Scalp traders could consider taking the short position, scalp short, if you would like to. Bullish traders on the daily time frame and the 4 time frame chart could consider possible retracement for taking the long position on the Great British Pound. So on the 4 time frame chart, also interesting construction could be formed. So take a look that potentially we could get the reverse head and shoulders on the top. You can see that could become the left arm, double head here, and that could become the right arm. So in area around 38.80 until the 138 even, that will be the area where theoretically market could reach and where upward reversal will start for the further upward continuation. So we intend to keep an eye on these areas for possible taking the long position. Speaking about the scalp trading, well, here guys, you could use two different thrusts. So first thrust stands on the 4 time frame chart right here. You could use it for the Jordan Apple, double repo, brand body trades, if it will be formed, if any will be formed. On the hourly chart, you could use even smaller thrusting action. So you can see this upward action here, separate thrust. It's a bit shorter, and the target stays closer. So in fact, here we already have double repo sell in place. It starts working. You can see close below 3x3, close above and creating the new top, and close below again. So theoretically, we already have the double repo pattern in place, as it accompanied with the daily overbought and strong pivot level on the daily chart. The chances of this double repo are not really bad. This market could drop as low as to the 139, 38.85. This will be the confidence support here, as you can see. So that's actually the step on the forex markets that we intend to consider. And on the cable, this particular these levels and these patterns we intend to keep an eye on.